foundational vouchers 100%. So basically, this is where you request for it. And now, once you request for it, it takes a day or two, 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 business days. Because hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is everything cyber security, and this is the first video for this channel. Right, what we do in this channel is to share resources in cybersecurity and in tech in general, ranging from free cybersecurity resources to free vouchers. If you're a lover of voucher, you're in the right place, and as well as cybersecurity projects, right? We're going to be building a lot of cybersecurity projects in this channel. So if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please, now is the best time to subscribe. To get this voucher, you are going to need to create two accounts. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to create an AWS Educate account, right? So I already have an account, but I had to I will be creating a new account for this particular video, so that any question you probably have will be covered. Right. So the first thing you are going to do is to create an AWS Educate account, right? So all these information I'm going to add it to the description of this video, so you get access to all the links and all the description that I wrote down there, right? So for this, don't make the mistake of creating an account here, and if you have an account, don't make the mistake of signing in here, because this will lead you to the AWS console, and that's not where we need, right? So this is what you are looking for. If you already have an account, sign in over here. Let's create an account, register. You select AWS Educate here, right? Even though you can use any of these, but let's work with AWS Educate. Create an account. Let's verify the mail. Yeah, it worked. Once you are here now, this is the process you're following. You've created an account now. Walk through the badges. Now, like I said here, the shortest course you can do is this introduction to generative AI. So the whole idea of this program is for you to complete a course here, then complete a course on AWS Skill Builder, right? And once you complete the two course, then you do some tags, and you can use the points you get from the tags to request for the voucher. That's just the whole point of this video. But I want to walk through the step and step, so you won't miss any parts. So now let's look for this direction to generative AI. But then you can do any choice of your choice, because I've done like about almost these courses, and I can tell you each and every one of them is very, very good. It's very, very good. And the generative AI as well is very good. So let's if once you do this right, you get a completion badge once you've completed this. Once you complete this, I think this is how to do it. But we are not going to be doing the we are not going to be doing the course in this, because the course will take quite some time. So we are going to proceed to the next one. Right. Once you are done with this course, right, you get a completion badge. And once you get a completion badge, you get an email inviting you to join the emerging talent community, right? So once you join the emerging talent community, this is how it should look like. Let me show you, right? Or maybe I'll just show us later, because I'm already part of the emerging talent. So I'll also show you how it looks like. Now, this is your dashboard once you've not joined. I have to sign in again. I'm signing in again, right? You could see how this dashboard looks like, right? Nothing is there at the top, but I'm going to show you later in this video, because we are going step by step how the how this place will look like once you've completed the course. So the only requirement now, you need to join The only requirement you need to join the emerging talent community is to complete any course of your choice, right? So you can just do any course, and you could see this is less than 1 hour, so you can finish this course in a day. And once you finish it, in few hours you get invited, or maybe few minutes, depends. It quite depends on how many people are requesting it as of that time, right? In few minutes or in few hours, you're going to get an email. Then your portal will change, which I will still show us. Once you are done completing this course, now the next thing you do is to sign into AWS Builder, right? We are going to do this later in this video, right? For now, let's create an account on AWS Skill Builder, because you need the two. Actually, you need the two to be able to get the voucher. You need to complete a course here and a course on AWS Skill Builder. So let's create an account on AWS Skill Builder as well. Let's walk through the process. So before I proceed, if you've watched this video up to this point and you've not subscribed to this channel, then I don't know what else you need for you to do it, right? Uh Doing this video is taking me quite some time, right? But I wanted to make sure that I go through it step by step. So I would love you to subscribe, then share this video to anyone that is in tech, right? Because this certification voucher covers a whole lot of certification in tech as a general, not just cybersecurity, right? Make sure you share this video, and then also comment any certification that you are looking for. That's very important, because if I'm doing videos, I need to know what you want, right? Comment the certification you are looking for, and I will do a video on how to get 100% free voucher for that particular certification, just like I've been doing for those that have been following me on LinkedIn. And so let me know in the comments the subscription voucher you are looking for, and I'll do a video on how to get 100% voucher on it. Yeah, this is AWS Skill Builder, right? This is the link over here. Like I mentioned, I'm going to add this description, this whole thing, to the description of this video on YouTube. So everything you have access to it. Top right here, click on create free account. Like I mentioned, I already have an account, but I'm doing all this right for the purpose of people that are new to AWS. All right, let's wait a bit for it to load up. Yeah, I think it's coming up now. Accept terms. You basically need to accept all the terms. Uh, Now it's going to take you to the AWS Skill Builder platform now. Oh, I think you need to fill all this first. So this is what you're going to see once you are signed into the AWS Skill Builder platform. Right now, once you are here now, uh, I made it easy for everybody by adding the links to each certification, because the whole idea of AWS doing this is because they want to be sure that you are not going to waste this voucher, right? That's why they really want to be certain that for anyone that is using the voucher, that they're actually certification ready, right? So for AWS Skill Builder platform, this place, right? You cannot just take any course. You have to take the course that is specific to the voucher you want, right? Now, don't confuse it. For the AWS Educate, you can take any course of your choice, but for AWS Skill Builder, you have to take the course that is specific to the certification that you want to get. And also, you have to use the same credential, the same email, I mean, not necessarily the same password anyways, but the same email you are using for your AWS Educate, it has to be the same. It needs to be the same with the one you are using for AWS Skill Builder. If not, there is no way AWS can verify that you've done this course, right? So let's not make that mistake. So now for the AWS Skill Builder, right? You have tons of courses here, but you have to find or search for the one that is related to the certification track of your choice. You could see various ones, a lot of courses here, but like I mentioned, if you check the bio, you're going to see the link to the courses. So if you are going for, let's say you want to get AWS Solution Architect certification, just click on the link in the bio, or you can still search for it here. Click on the link. So let's search up the link. Hmm, it should be able to take us there. Yes, now this is it, right? So now for this, you could see that for this AWS, but even if you don't want to do it, you can still search up the certification by using the search button here. But if you're watching this video directly from my YouTube channel, then just click on the link. Right now, this is for AWS Solution Architects, right? This completely is 100% free. So now you're going to see the standard exam prep, which is free here, right? Is free, and you're going to see the exam prep as well. So you're going to take the two that is free. This one is free, then this one is free as well. Hold on, let me open this so you see the instructions. For the exam prep, right, the first one, you need to have a score of more than 70 in the last practice test. Then for the next one, you need to have more than 80 basically. So let's enroll for this course. For this one, this is free as well, and you need to take this, right? I'm opening it in a new tab. Remind me later. Enroll. Mm, Right, start question sets. I don't know if I'm too fast or I'm going at the right speed, but I don't want this video to be so long, right? At the same time, I want to make sure that I walk everybody through the steps without cutting out any parts, basically. Now, like I mentioned, right, uh, these the two courses you need to complete, this one and that one, right? Once you do it, then the next course, there are three parts of this video, right? The next part is the part where I'll show us from the talent emerge community, and that's where I'm going to, for that one, I'm going to be using my main AWS account, because I need to complete this one on AWS Educate to be invited, right? And I don't want us to wait for that much time, right? So I'm going to use my main AWS account and show you how it's going to look like once you are accepted into the AWS Skill Builder. And if you feel the process is really getting long, just relax. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you an easier way of doing all this, right? So this is the question you're going to start, is basically 20 questions, right? You need to score more than 80%. And trust me, if you can just pass them, you can just pass this, right? So I think this is everything for AWS Skill Builder, right? And if you want to get for data engineer, or let's say cloud practitioner, is basically the same process. So let me close all this tab again. Um, so once you click on for AWS cloud practitioner, the same process, start the course, then enroll for the course and the training as well, right? We have the exam prep, no, not this one. This is the free one, right? The exam prep. You enroll for the exam prep and the course free, right? Yes, so I believe this is everything you need to know for this part. And now for the main part, which is requesting for the voucher itself, and this is where we are going to start from the talent emerge community. Now let's head over to how it should look like, right? Now this is how your talent emerge will come up here once you've been approved basically. So all you need to do is to complete a course on AWS Educate, and then yeah, you get this pop-up, you get this talent image, it will just come up. If you're an old user of AWS, or you've been using AWS, maybe you might have completed a qualifying course on AWS Educate, or maybe Skill Builder, or you've completed something unknowingly, right? Once this is there, then you don't really need to do any course from here. But if this is showing here, that means maybe you might have completed something previously, right? Now, what you just need to do is to click on that emerging talent, right? This is where the real thing starts from, right? Click on the emerging talent and it will take you to emerging talent. So this is basically where uh both the voucher request and everything comes, right? And like I mentioned, or I'll add in my description, right? Upon registration, you're going to get 2,220 points, right? And for this, so just see this as more like um we have tax here, different tags that you can do on AWS, and for each tax you'll be getting paid, right? But now it's points, not currency, right? So now it's points. Now with those points that you get, you can purchase a voucher. This is how it works. With the points you get, you can purchase a voucher, right? So uh immediately upon signing up, you already will accumulate 2,220 points, right? Then for the foundational level exams, you need 4,500 points for them. Then for associate exams, you need 5,200 points. And if you don't understand what I mean by points, just relax. I'm going to show you in this video, right? So yeah, now this, once you click on it, it will take you here. What you need to do is to click on go to onboarding, and once you go to the onboarding, you're going to see welcome to ATC, right? So just reading this, I'm going to get 100 points, right? So you're going to see it now. Take note of my points here. Take note of my points here is 100, right? So let's quickly do this so you see the points I will get now. So let's read through this, right? That's if you want to read through it. But yeah, most of them are knowledge field. So if you want to, yeah, go ahead and read them, right? So, I'm going to click on complete. Content completed. Can you guys see? Take a look. Now I now have 100 points. So this is basically how you continue doing it, right? We have several tags here: tags with 100 points, tags with 200 points, tags with 10 points, tags with 10 points, different points, right? And tags will just keep on coming, right? And they are very easy tags. I just gained 100 points now, and it's just for me to fill the survey of what I think and click continue, and that's it. Right now, let's quickly do another one, right? Let's get 300 points. But then I think for this accumulating points part is quite clear now. Let me do this one more. Right, let's read through this and yeah, complete. Then once completed, can you guys see? Can you guys see 300 points? So now I now have 300 points, right? So this is how you continue basically. You just keep on doing next, and you keep on seeing more tasks to do. 60-point task and all. It's just very easy, right? So now for the main deal, which is voucher, right? Now, how do you buy vouchers with these points? How do you do it? Now, remember, this is 100% free voucher, right? So, you just go to rewards. Once you go to rewards, right now, you can choose to buy anything you want. If you want to buy these top backgrounds, you can buy it now. Foundational vouchers 100%. So basically, this is where you request for it. And now, once you request for it, it takes a day or two, 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 business days, because they need to review it and review your skill builder and see if you've completed what is required on the skill builder, right? Have you seen it here? I've completed at least one skill builder certification exam and official practice test. That's the two things I've showed us, right? Because I showed us exam prep course, the course itself, then I also showed you the exam, right? And you need to pass with 70% pass mark. Yeah, so this is for associate level vouchers, right? Now, once you request for it as well, within 1 to 3 business days, you get your voucher. Now, to the part where I mentioned that an easy way to of doing this, right? Now, many people actually think that you need to do this one at a time. That you need to first complete AWS Educate course, and then once you are done, you now have to go to AWS Skill Builder and complete it. No, you can actually do it side by side, and it doesn't matter as long as you are using the same email to create the account. And it's not really necessary that you go through all the steps, right? You just need to uh do the do the exam prep, like do the exam itself, right? And however you watch the video, it will still take mark, right? So yes, if you want to go through every single thing, go ahead and do it. But if you feel like okay that you need to focus on preparing your exam, then you could do it this way I mentioned. Now, I believe I've talked about everything about this course, and if you have any more questions, please drop it in the comment section, and please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, as I'll be dropping a whole lot of more opportunities, voucher opportunities, Microsoft, AWS, Cisco vouchers, different exams that you could think of, right? And also, please share this video to anyone that is starting out in cybersecurity, because in this my channel, I'll be doing a whole lot of projects as well beyond free resources in cybersecurity and in tech, right? I'll be doing cybersecurity project. And for those that don't have experience, right, or for those that want to build more on their hands-on skills, right, this is the right channel, as I'll be going through tons of different cybersecurity projects ranging from compliance to penetration testing, ethical hacking, to system engineering, system security engineering, to EDR tools, how to use various EDR tools, how to use various hacking tools, how to use various SIEM tools. I'll be doing everything in this channel, and since I'm starting out, I'm open to everybody's opinion, right? If you think you want me to do a particular video, or maybe on any topic, or you need any voucher, drop it in the comment section, and also make sure to like this video, as it will help in suggesting videos to those that need this, right? So thanks so much everyone. I'm going to meet you in the next video.